Okay, this is my setup for checking out the output of the Microcenter USB to RS233 serial cable. I'm using my little scope, and this is the setup. Ground is connected to the black, red is going to be receive, that's a red cable connected to the positive on the little oscilloscope, and these are going to be the settings. We're going to go first to auto, we're going to go to normal, and then we're going to go to, let's see, 5 volts, keep going up to 5 volts. X1 is fine, 200 microseconds fine. We need to move this to DC, introducing DC, and then we need to move this little thing right here. You can't see it, there's a little arrow on the left side, kind of like, let's see, we'll type some things on this, on the serial tools, and we should see them on the screen right here, and we know it's working.